Uswazi lukakoko luyangilandela, luyangishaya, luyangihlupha. I always say and tell people ukuthi there are many podcasts in South Africa, but there are very few. Actually, angwaboni ama-podcasts that can side with the youth, that can side with building a South African youth, challenges a youth. Ama-podcast, I'm talking about podcasts. So this is Mr. Bongs hailing behind your mic. Lapho esisho khona sithi hour of success, ngizokutshela kabanzi ke ukuthi hour of success ukubamba nje kahle kahle phezulu okwamanje ngoba isikhathi asikho, yi podcast le esibandakanye ekuthenini sifuna ukuvusa noma mhlawumbe sihluphe nge-youth careers ekuthenini sibabone ukuthi okay laba khona kungoba bachuzana ukuba khona noma mhlawumbe they still want to go somewhere noma mhlawumbe they started somewhere bayithola sekuyikhaya labo, shuthi like ngenxa ye-service, ngenxa yokuhamba kwesikhathi bayithola ke sebephakathi sekungasaphumeki khona. Siyayihlupha kakhulu futhi okunye ngiyokusho ngingasabi ukuthi la engibheke khona kakhulukazi ngisafuna ukungena la kuthiwa kungenwa khona ukuyihlupha ngama-graduates ekuthenini from la agraduate khona e-university ukuthi la bona abacabanga ukuthi impilo iyaqala kungalesikhathi impilo yabaningi istakha khona ukuthi bagcina ngokugraduate kuphele kanjalo. So we need to also dig down and find out as much as sikhuluma ngama-people's careers. Okay, ake siqhubeke hour of success njengamanje sizokhuluma nge-intro. This is just an intro, but we're still gonna get more youth isitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe ihamba phi ngokwezinga lempilo nanokuthi mhlawumbe ijabuleni la khona we believe ukuthi ama-struggles awalingani. I-struggle se-guest yethu yanamhlanje lo munye olalelo sekhaya uzothi ish uya-struggle yazi lo yamfethu kodwa ungitshele ithiphu engisizayo mina ekade ngisafuna ukuya khona. The actual aim yokuthi la omunye ogxobe khona washelela omunye engabe sagxoba khona ebona ukuthi hayi kuyasheleleka uma ugxobela. So our success no Mr. Bongs. Bafowethu asivele siqale ngoba isikhathi asikho. Angikho ngedwa ke on the line nginobandile. Sawubona Bandile?
Yebo njani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Usikhulumele nje kakhudlwana ngoba senzele nabanye abalaleli bezokhona ukuzwa. Baningi abalaleli akusimi ngedwa, baningi nje kakhulu ozokukhuluma futhi uzo inspire abaningi, ngizosho kanjalo, because akekho umuntu ofika ngephutha la. Ufika la kusuke kucalculate ukuthi vele sidinga wena. Ngiyawazi ama-listeners wami ukuthi asuke edinga umuntu kanjani. Ngiyawazi ukuthi asuke edinga i-medication bani. So nje yeah, welcome.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Alright, mina angikwazi nguwe ozaziyo ukuthi ubani. Ungathi nje uma ungatshela iSouth Africa ukuthi uBandile uwubani?
uBandile umuntu, okay, I can say I'm a guy at the age of 35 years.
Yeah.
A fruitful guy, like onama-dreams amaningi. Asafisa ukufika kuwo nathi la asihambe khona. Omunye umuntu ongabona ngathi sihambe kakhulu kodwa kimi angibona ngathi angikahambi nokuhamba khona kusafuna ngifike khona. Nama ngazi ukuthi ukuphi, but I have to go far.
That's amazing. That's beautiful. Mhlawumbe ake siqale sithi ngoba imibuzo yami izothi nje ukuba neutral, ungethuki kakhulu. Vele okuthusa abaningi ukuthi i-interview yami ayiplanwa. Nansi into eyingiphathe kabi kakhulu yokuthi ama-interviews, ama-podcast amaningi futhi nje ngingasho ngithi wonke ayaplanwa, and some of them they acting as if awaplanwa. There is i-scripted ama-interviews amaningi. So awami awekho scripted, and there's a reason why ngekho scripted. I want to be ukuthi uzizwe uwuwe, to be ube nje uwe, and sibe ne-conversation evulelekile. Uyayizwa leyo nto leyo? Uyabona njengoba sixoxa nje njengamanje, awazi ukuthi ngizobuzani nanjengoba ngibuza njengamanje ukuthi konje uBandile uwubaba akasiyena ubaba. Mangithi uwubaba khona nothi baba kuwe.
Kakhulu ukhona ukuthanda kwaNkulunkulu ukhona. Ntombazane eneminyaka 10. 10 years loyo okuthiwa uhlelo okuhle Melani.
Okay, hayi. Siyabonga-ke. Ake ngithi-ke kukuphi ukuvikeleka noma mhlawumpe wena njengendoda futhi yavela iqondanela-ke lento. Wena njengomuntu ozele intombazana, uma ubona amantombazana noma mhlampe-ke i-gender based yenzeka kulelizwe, ngiyazi ukuthi kukhulunywa kaningi ngayo nje sekufana nenorm, but okusalayo ukusho ukuthi osisi bethu bayahlushwa, osisi bethu bayahlupheka, regardless ukuthi ake sithi usisi uyena oprovoke umuntu wesilisa, uyabo? But okusalayo, does she deserve to be killed? No. Does she deserve to be ukuthi ahlushwe mhlampe noma hlambalazwe? No, akadeserve. So wena njengomuntu ozele umuntu oyingane yentombazana, alukho novalo lokuthi ingane yami ngelinye ilanga iyohlushwa nayo.
Lokho akwenzeki ngabibikho mawumuntu ozele ngempela, mawubaba nje enganeni yakho especially uyithanda futhi uba khona lapho khona ethi khona noma ijabulile ube khona, noma lapho khona singajabulile ube khona, ufise futhi uyibona ijabulile. Because enganeni zethu thina sifana noNkulunkulu kuzo ngobaba. Ingane kuwe ukuthi noma qhamuka ibhubesi ithi ngizotshena ubaba, noma qhamuka ini ngizotshena ubaba, noma mama wayeshaya ngizotshena ubaba. Ngeke kuhlale ngingabikho lokho, kodwa indlela zibe khona futhi ukuthi noma sekuthiwa ngibhekana nesimo esikanje, kodwa ngiyofuna ukuthi ngizame ukuthi ngenze kanje.
Okay. Alright. Mhlambe bowungathini wena, ngizokufaka kwesengwenya kancane. Mangithi kwesengwenya eziziba ngikufaka emibuzweni owawungakazi wazi wayiphendula na before. Uma kungathiwa nanga umuntu wesilisa njengoba wena uwubaba enganeni yakho, yena ulincishiwe lelo thuba, una ingane mara ulincishiwe lelo thuba, ngabe kusangithini nje ufola under, ngoba imibuzo yami general based on the social media experience, ufola under lo baba lo abathi yindoda engondli, yindoda engenamsebenzi, indoda eyangishiya, uyabo, izinto ekanjalo for whatever reason, but okusalayo there is no connection between yena nomntanakhe. Bowungathini imessage yakhe eya kumuntu wesilisa? Uyanqatshelwa noma mhlambe kwabaleka yena for whatever reason, asizange uzofixa inangizana whatever issues they had ne partner yakhe, but ngizothi bowungathini kulo umuntu wesilisa?
Kulowo muntu loyo bhuti uBongwe, engingakusho kuye ukuthi uyabona, noma ngabe kuthiwa khona siphi isimo phakathi kwakho nomntwana wakho, mhlawumbe ukuthi ningabonani, mhlawumbe waxabana nomama wakhe, mhlawumbe wamthola wabona ukuthi wakho warealize late ukuthi ngowakho cause kade uneyintolo thizini ngoba umama wakhe ade ngekho full time nawe, ade full time nabantu abaningi. Kodwa ekugcineni ufuna ukuthi uhlale ukwazi umntwana ungowakho. 2, umntwana wonke ophilayo uphila ngumntwana mase sukule stage sokuthi usubaba noma bekuthiwa awunaye ongwakho straight ngokwegazi lakho wonke kodwa umntwana ophilayo mase sekukhona untanga wakho umntanga wakho onomntwana ongangawo nawe ubunjenti usubaba lokho.
Alright.
Umntwana nje kuhlale ngabethu ufuna ukuthi sibathande ufuna ukuthi sibavikele ufuna ukuthi sibenzele konke ngoba emntwaneni mina what I only believe in ukuthi ingane ayidingi amamiliyoni akho ayidingi ini kodwa nje uthando lwakho.
Alright. No, asibonge lapho asivale leyo chapter siyabonga nje ukuthi usike elijikayo khona iyobanceda le. Asingene la kuyi-career yakho. Njengomuntu owaziwa kwezomabona kude, yinto owayiqala from esikoleni. Angithi esikoleni kunalama activities abizwa onangizana o creative art sekuyifundo samanje kuthiwa creative art eqanube kwi-art and culture and what yabo. But manje wayiqala esikoleni noma udecide sewuphumile because this is what the podcast is about. It's about ama-careers. So let's dive on it.
Yeah, i-art and culture ngayifunda art and culture ngesikhathi sethu.
But nje
ngayifunda.
Oh, sorry.
But according to my own career acting, ngabe nginamanga angaze ngize ngithande ukuthi art and culture ingangithatha ingibeke ngcine sengifocusa le career yami engikuyo. It was a pity because I met other guy. It was 2016. Yeah, just remember. It was 2016. With social media, Facebook. Futhi ke into engizikholakala cause umuntu engatholana naye umuntu engicabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma i-production yakhe njengamanje ngoba ngingomunye wama-guest or ngiku-interview about izinto ey'kanjena.
Okay.
Yeah, loya muntu kwakuthiwa ngubongane uMr Bonga President Moon Production.
Okay.
Uyena umuntu wabona i-potential kimi mina ngingaziboni. Angaziboni. Kodwa ngumuntu wabona i-potential kimi. Futhi leyo nto yangisiza kakhulu cause wangikhuthaza ngabona ukuthi okay kanti khona umuntu obona into enhle kimi engaka.
Wow.
Kusukela ngaleso sikhathi leso ngayitshela yazini akufune ngiphile kanje. Okokuqala nje ngayitshela ukufuna ngiphile ngakho. Ukuthi kufuneka always mangivela kubantu ngihlale ngirepresente emboli. Ngibe clean, discipline according to even language yami mangikhuluma noma ngabe yini ngingabi negama or nomlomo onenhlamba or noma uphoqa omunye umuntu. Because masingabantu siphila nabantu sometimes sinokuba ama places crowded kunabanye abantu aside kodwa mangikhuluma nje ngayitshela ukuthi nokuthi ngibe discipline emlonyeni discipline ezenzweni futhi ngingatholakali sengenza into engekho right njengomntshontsha njengokushaya umuntu wesifazane thinta umuntu wesifazane ezithwene ngasese okuthiwa sexual harassment.
Yeah.
Ngabona ukuthi kufuneka ukuthi manje ngifocuse kule career yami engibona ukuthi lo muntu lo uthinya uNkulunkulu kimi ukuthi ezongitshengisa ukuthi wena khona into ekanje kuwe ufuna ukuthi uyisebenzise because imothatha ukukhumbula kahle nokubheka from biblical.
Yeah.
Njengobaba uMoses nje kade kungabantu labo bathi bengabantu nje bafana nathi bezubuhlungu bezwa yonke into kodwa kwafika uNkulunkulu kuwo wabathuma lokho abathuma khona mawuthinya uNkulunkulu kwethi ngesinye isikhathi isibusiso sakho angisehliseli ezandleni zakho but ngicela ukuthi uthandaze isibusiso sakho sinoma amasehla sinehleli ezandleni ezimnyama ezandleni ezimbi sehlele kumuntu ozoba inhliziyo efuna wena nothando kuwe.
Yazi njengoba ukhuluma wangenza ngaba too emotional because I've never expected ukuthi this interview izophenduka futhi ibheke ngapha ekuthenini I contributed or mhlambe I'm the one. Mina I thought because it was more like a word of mouth ukuthi there is a guy, so I thought you are you are already in it. Hence, I think what is it called? Ama auditions were not too strict, and when you were just rhyming, nje, uyabona. So everything was like easy. I never thought I would be contributing in that way. Okay. Le asiyivaleke. That means iyoba ne-episode yayo ngelinye ilanga. Let's get to entweni ekaso ukuthi as much as we know ukuthi i-acting career is a part-time thing, ne, and most people they doing their own things on the side. It does not matter like general labor, general job yokuthi ngisabambisa kuphi kuphi. Ikhona lento engifuna ukuthi siyithathe siyilethe kubantu ukuthi at times bengabona lo bandile oclean kangaka emehlweni abo, mhlampe futhi o stylish ngalendlela le, or mhlampe futhi o fashionist ngalendlela le. Kodwa okusalayo uma kumele encenge impilo, I want to know any other work owaye waba involved kuwona.
Uyabona empilweni ngiye ngithi noma ngibatshena abanye bengakholwa. Ngike ngasebenza under workforce.
Okay.
I just remember lapho kade kufakwa ma-fiber lawo e-network. Kade ngikupha umgodi lapho umsebenzi wamade kuyipiki ne-foreshore. Kupha umgodi okungu-8 meter. Ngokusuka phansi kade ku-1 meter kodwa kufika la okhala. Enhla kwesinqa. Ngasebenza lapho ngasebenza restaurant Espe. Pitori Grey Hall lapha eSenturion, Mystery Mondlwane Mystery.
Yeah.
Ngasebenza lapho, ngasebenza RLS i-agent ayilapha eKempton Park angiyaseThekwini. Ngayigcina ngathi khona because ngeke ngayivisitha in-Foyesburg, ngayibona ngathi sesekhona but ngibenza ngenye indlela. Ngasebenza la ngingilindele nje namanje ngingasho ukuthi present vele ukuthi namanje basangicontact ngize kuyi-construction. Bonke construction ngasebenza kuyo leyo construction as i-ducting installer. Ngiyazi abanye mhlawumbe ngathi bheka uma ngikhuluma i-ducting installer ilapho khona ukufaka khona ama-air condition.
Okay.
Njengaseyindaweni enjengo-macro ezinjengabo ama-construction amakhulu e-government njengabo abo Department of Labour, abo SARS esifama air condition lapho. Ngabuka-ke ngoba uma umuntu kufuneka ubuke isiluthi ukuthi okay ngoba sengila kuphi engingakwenza ukuze kungibeke laphayana. Ngoba always hlelo impilo engcono.
Yeah.
Ngagcina ngenza i-health and safety officer.
Okay.
But yona-ke ngigcine vele ukunqoba kwami igcine inqobe iphuma last year 2025 ngo-December. So
uyiqedile le health and safety?
Yeah, ngiqedile manje yona engiyiphethe ezandleni.
Uyiphethe ezandleni?
Yeah.
Oh,
ba-applyile ngayo kuphinda.
Uyabona ngathi bengazi, so awukaqashwa usa-applyile ngayo?
Yeah, ngisa-applyile ngaqashwa.
Okay, that's good. I think that's where we actually coming in. Abantu bengezwa kabi. The aim is to help each other and see, uyabona, and I believe ukuthi there are some employers as well abazoyilalela, because anything that goes any clean content phakathi nokunceda i-youth phakathi, akekho umuntu ofika ngephutha ezodlala la, uyabo. You get into this bayibizani, this position yokuthi ukhulume kuma-media emsakazweni kuphi and bayazi ama-employers once they get you there ukuthi this one is a serious candidate, uyayithola. So for that naleso certificate se-health and safety uboke ungi-emailela inangzana i-CV yakho. Wokungi-emailela i-CV yakho khona engizokhuluma nabo.
Ngizwa kahle.
Yeah, khona ngizokhuluma nabo. I think that's the you might be lucky, yabo. You might be lucky khona. All right. Now sitshele ngale eye bayibizani eye TV now, but like i-highlight ephezulu because leyo iyobuye ibe ne-episode yayo phezulu. I-highlight ephezulu ekuthenini njengamanje use-KZN awusekho.
Yeah, manje se-KZN manje.
Okay, so you went there because i-agent ithe isavalile yini, because agent they always call at any time, just like if laba suke bekuthumelele khona to shoot that project, if seyiphelile project, then you're coming back, you are theirs, you are neutral ukuthi they can just place you at anywhere. So what happened?
Ama-agent ami, what I can say, i-Zero to Hero Casting Agency bangenze i-contract ka-2 years, abengine-2 years. Bangibona ukuthi ngi-useful khona, kwaba i-unlimited contract. Meaning ngizese-on khona, kwaba yinaphuzane i-stepping stone casting agent, kade ngi-freelancer khona. Kwaba khona lesebenza ne-Black Brain, makuthi Black Brain
ya ngiyazi
yabo Mandla nayo futhi ngiya-freelancer kuyo. Like nje nothing wrong ngama-agent amawaze evalwe, futhi angikaze ngibe umuntu omubi kuwo.
Okay.
Sesi-right njengoba luckily ngigcina ukusebenza naye i-stepping stone.
Yeah.
ngigcina ku-TV kuyi-Homecoming.
Okay.
Homecoming ngigcina ukusebenza ne-stepping stone.
Okay.
So ngilike KZN just because of ngiyazi singabantu abamnyama ukuthi iphila under isizime kanjani.
Yeah, sure.
Kube khona izinto ekufuneka ukuthi sizilungise thizeni, sisihloniphe futhi namasiko wethu njengama-African. But nje goli vele impilo yami khona.
Alright. Ngoba ke isikhathi sesohamba, at least wena you already got another chance, angithi bayibiza another opportunity. The aim vele yethu ukuthi umuntu awine something, uyabona, like a benefit something, let me put it like that. So nakho ke there is a pending open opportunity for you, which is le engithe ungimailela yona inangizana yakho. Now you need to open the door for someone, angithi angakayitholi ke i-guest. If ngingayitholi i-guest ezothi, let me say i-guest esasesikoleni, let me say i-guest noma isiphumile esikoleni, but like isifiso sayo vele nayo beku-actor ukuthi nayo igcine acte nalabantu abakhulu or acte nabo, njengoba ukhona ukubala ukuthi for you to end up sharing a stage with these giants that are known in the national television, you need to be under this agent. There are so many agencies, I know them, and ayaropa, uma ngithi ayaropa, like they just take your money and that's it, it's finished, gone. They uyangi-understand. Amanye bekuzibe ngalokhu attend ama-classes kabili kancane, kanti vele i-fly by night, it has never existed before, uyabo. So at least wena those ones wabalayo aka-exista and akhona. So my question is, are you also gonna get me just one number, not for myself? Ngizoyibeka nje as ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhona lo oyosho ukuthi hey my sifiso esoku-actor sikhona naye ukwenze njani ukuthi awuzame nayo inamba uyojoyina laba bantu. At least kuzobe kuyinto straight ukuthi ujoyina lapha, bona bayazi lapha ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani going forward.
Ngizwe kabini mawuthi akekho umuntu engimaziyo naye ofisa naye ukuthi lapha efane nami, okanye ofisa ukuhamba endleleni la engihambe khona noma la engihamba khona.
Yes, ngithi ukhona omunye oyofika la kwi-podcast yami, yes, uthola ukuthi osifiso sakhe u-actor. Ngithi ke mina, you help us ngenamba, yes, ungayibizi la umoyeni, ngenamba, suthi like you will suggest i-agent, njengoba wazi many agencies, you will suggest i-agent eyi-1 ukuthi okay, uma kube uyafika lo muntu lona wena Mr. Box umnike nansi inamba kuyobe sekuphelile.
Ngamnikeza inamba kuyi-manager ye-Zero to Hero Casting Agent. Inamba ye-Zero to Hero Casting Agency uzofica uMr Ndlovu laphana, ukuthi uMike Ndlovu okuyiyona imanager ye-Zero to Hero Casting Agency.
Hhayi, akunankinga-ke mfowethu. Bengifuna nje lokho ngoba phela sifuna ukuthi umuntu uma efikile, angithi ephinde ebe useful, uphinde nawe ushiyele abanye ngemuva, nabanye bazongena, uphinde ushiyele abanye ngemuva, kanjalo kanjalo. So into ekanjalo. Hhayi ngalokho ukuthi sewuyigigile, nathi ngeke sihambise, ngeke nami nginike umuntu oyinkinga laphana. Ngiyobona nge-assess ithalente lomuntu ukuthi hayi lo muntu uyadeserve. And of course uma ifike laphana, through your help naye uyonceda abanye kanjalo kanjalo.
Yes.
Nakho-ke ake ngikufake la kancane kwezembangazwe, but don't go deep. If you feel like not answering, and don't answer. Nali izwe, what do you think ngale looting yakhona? Looting yini lento le, nokusha kwezwe noma yini lento le? But ngiyazi ukuthi ngifaka umuntu wrong because I should not involve umuntu waku-media, public figure on this. But nansi into yange-date. Umqondo wakho uthini kuyona?
Le yama-foreigners, abantu bokufika.
Yebo, abantu bokufika, ama-foreigners, KZN, yebo nabo Joburg. Ithini lento?
Hayi, lento yazi, I don't have such many words ngayo, kodwa nje engingakusho ukuthi ungayibuka ngeseluthu. Khona kuyafuneka ukuthi behambe, but hhayi ngendlela lena ezoba kabi ukuthi gcina belimele, because labantu abafani bonke ukuqala lokho. Ngoba khona abanamaphepha. Okangangokuthi nabo uma kuthiwa siya-tax-wa la eMzansi, nabo bayakhona ukuthi kube khona abakukhiphayo.
Yeah.
Kube khona abangenawo amaphepha. Manje thina abantu abala phansi la esikhona khona, bese sibuka ukuthi wonke lo muntu uyinto eyodwa. But thina abantu bese bafanisa bonke, egcina kulimala umuntu, egcina sekufa umuntu, ngoba ekugcineni into efuna ukuthi siyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu onelungelo lokubulala emhlabeni. Khuluma iqiniso. Akekho. Igazi lomuntu ngenye into. Alifani no-Coca-Cola, alifani namanzi. Khona asali bayalimaza umnotho wethu. Bayakwenza konke. Ifana ingane yakhe ekhaya. Ingane yakhe ekhaya noma ngithiwa siyenze uyishaya, iphuma inyembezi, ikhale, phinde kube kuwe masesudla, uthi ngibhana nje wena mi ikithathe lapho usuyitshengisa ukuthi uyayishaya kodwa awuyizondo, uzonda lento eyenzayo.
So lelo lokubulala ngempela uyalivimba.
Ayikho right impela, ayikho indlela, ayikho yinhle.
Cha, ukhulume kahle, ngiyayibonga uma ibuya kuwe. Lokho ngikushiso ngoba mfowethu, yazi kwesinye isikhathi we are helping the nation nalaba bantu abayithole wrong, ngoba njengoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu wemedia okakhulukazi akumelanga akhulume, kodwa futhi ukukhuluma kwakhe kuyanceda kulabantu abakholelwa kuwena. Njengoba uyikhuzile nje, ukhona oyedwa oyilalele ozoyeka okade kube kuthiwa ngithi into ngale ndaba, okube kuthiwa nawe uvele wathi hhayi angiyingeni, ngicela ungaphenduli ngoba mhlawumbe uvikela i-status sakho nani uyabona i-profession yakho. It's good, but okusalayo ebezokhuzwa ubani loya, ngoba loya akezwa muntu, kodwa wena ukhonile ukukuzwa ngoba uthanda indlela oyiyona. Angazi uyayizwa into engiyishoyo.
Ngizwa kahle.
So nje cha, hayi no, ukhulume kahle. Asivale ngabantu basophongolo mfethu. Yazi abantu basophongolo, abantu basophongolo. Abantu basophongolo why benga-elevate-ani, like aba-elevate-ani, abaphakamisani. Njengoba uzenzela nje nawe ule eGauteng, kwenzakalani yini? Umasipala ongekho supportive or like kwenzakalani? I've never heard into nje ukuthi hayi ubani sibe proud ngaye, phuma ophongolo, uyabo. Angazi uyayizwa lento engizama ukuyichaza la. Akunanto empowerayo, including me. Nami ngizenzele izinto zami ekudeni, far away from like kwenzakalani ngophongolo? Kungenziwani ukuze kubanjwane, like sibe one, sibe unit?
Angeke ngikusho nje lokhu kucace bashobana. Ucace nje ngoba ngithi noma ngiyibuka ngiyindoda.
Yeah.
Indoda yayincithezi futhi indoda i-straight, especially indoda umZulu i-straight.
Yeah.
Mayithe nje uno ngeke uze kwenze yes.
Yeah.
Ophongolo into engingayikhuluma abantu bakhona banomona siphila endaweni encane enomona kakhulu ezoqala ngokugxeka kwenye into igcina sibuye. Mina I just remember after sengitholile ukuthi mina uNkulunkulu ngiphe into ekanje engingenza ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngikhona etafini ngingakaze ngithole ngisho 1 rand i-acting.
Yeah.
Kufanele manje cha imali acting
Yeah.
kakhulu ngizenzele izinto ngayithenga impahla ngathenga izinto ekufanele ngizenze. Ngafunda ngenze i-certificate ngoba i-certificate eyiningi kakhulu mina.
Yeah.
Yeah, kodwa nje okay ngeke ngize ngiye lapho. Engizokusho nje ukuthi abantu basophongolo banomona bazofuna ukubona lapha kuzokhathi ke lapho. Uyabona manje sebaqala ke manje bayangirealize. Vele sisho sithi umakhelwane vele sisho mina abantu engihlala nabo ngenza yonke into nabo, ngiphuza nabo, ngidla nabo, dansa nabo, ngenza yonke into bafuthi I'm a dancer actually.
Yeah.
Choreographer.
Nice.
So ngathi mangiqala ke ku-audition uqala. Yeke ngabuza into eziningi. Hawu, sokhona ukuthi lokho. Like kube kuthiwa ngihlale ngisho nje yazi ikhonto engithandayo. Empilweni yami ngihlale ngisho angiseli igwala. Into engumsabona ngomhlonipha uNkulunkulu. Kube kuthiwa ngangigwala. Uphongolo ngokuphumelela uma uyigwala kuthiwa. Every business office uyiqala. Or asset ofuna office ukuthi ube nayo. Because uma umuntu uphila akufuneka uphilele like ukuchase i-status. Mara the only thing ofuna ukuthi uphilele is to found a pool or streams that's gonna bring money into you. Because ungafuna ukuthi uchase i-status usibambe i-status but i-status egcineni sodla ekhithini lakho siyodla wena. Ngigqoke impahla sigqoke namanje sayigqoke impahla mangivumile ngiyafeza. Umunye uze nje wena yini njalo uLuyisi mawuphuma ngafuna red carpet. But leyo nto egcineni in few years to come akusinto engaze ngibeke ezandleni zami. I'm doing it just because of ihambisana ne-career yami. I'm a mirror to the younger one. I'm the role model also.
Okay. So ngoba isikhathi sesiphelile I think sino 40 seconds. Ngicela uyisheshe uyivale. Indlela oyibeka khona iyangithinta and ithinta nami ukuthi okay, let me not pinpoint fingers to other people but me as well. Okay. So asenzeka so. Sizoyiplana off air. Siyiplane soyi2 we need to go to umasipala wasophongolo. Mina nawe soyi2. Ukuthi siyothini but we just need to go there. Sizwe inhlelo zakhe sizwe ukuthi kahle ngihleleni yabo hleleni ngeyouth noma mayikhona imali uyikhipha isephi yabo akusiwo umsebenzi wethu. Umsebenzi wethu ukuthi sifuna ukuthi if siqale into ethize uzoyisupport nina kuqala before isupportwa ngabantu sibanike second chance i-community yakhona then we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Ngizwa kahle.
Wemfowethu asibonge amazwi akho anobuhlakani osiphe wona namhlanje. Asibonge nje kakhulu ngane yakwethu. Ngizophinde nguthinte ngokuhamba kwesikhathi but nje thank you so much and good luck for everything.
Ngiyabonga mina kakhulu.
Oh well, that was uBandile Besco Simelane walapha ophongolo insizwa sophongolo le. Besingenile nje sithi ake sikhulume bafethu ukukhuluma ngalento. I know to other people might sound like a boring topic but it is not a boring topic. We are trying to drill and we are trying to be real mfethu. We're trying to be as honest as possible in life. We understand and sharing the ideas. The reason why it look like we are failing, it is because we can't share. We can't share. Uyazi government ukuthi wena uthembele ku350 wakhe kuphela. Let's take it in a different way. Uyazi government ukuthi ngempela lo 350 wakhe useful kuwena. Yabo. Uyazi government ngelinye ilanga ukuthi uma ngenzeka kuthiwe akayifaki le mali yobukulimaze kangakanani. Our success, thank you for listening. It was just an intro. We need people ngifuna ukuyiphesiwa leyo nto leyo vele ukuthi sho ngifuna ukuba lapha. Mr Bongs signing out. Hour of Success, ngizophinde ngubone futhi. Bye bye.